here with the fabulous Tara Dennis from Better Homes and Gardens. Tara, I hear that there's lunch and beer.
I'm starving, let's go.
Let's go. We're here at the Mitsubishi Industries stand, and Tara, you've been the face of their campaign and their brand ambassador now for how long?
Over 12 months. I'm going into my second year and I'm loving every minute. I've been to a conference. I'm learning so much about air conditioning. I'm enjoying it. We've had some fantastic lunch today. Hospitality here is amazing. Great company to work with.
Excellent. Well, what we might do is head inside and we'll have a look at their new product.
We're heading into winter, and one thing that I know is uppermost in everyone's minds is how to save money over the months. Now, if you're looking for an air conditioner, this is one of my favourites. It's the Avanti Plus. It's a 2 kilowatt unit, it has a 7-star efficiency rating. It's brand new on the Australian market, and this is the one that's going to save you the money.